So taking our comfortable seat, just allowing yourself to feel the body and just briefly encouraging your muscles to relax. And once we've done that, we just turn our mind to our breathing. Just following each in-breath and each out-breath. Noticing the sensations in your body as you breathe. Noticing the fullness or the shortness of your breath. And as you experience your breath, just reminding yourself to come back to your breathing if you become distracted. Just feeling this moment, allowing yourself to pause and be still. Hey everyone, thanks for watching the video. I'm curious to see how it went for you. And if you're enjoying the channel, I would love it if you could subscribe. And if you have any questions about the material I covered today or on any day, go ahead and leave them in the comments. Have a great day.